Dr. Stephanie Waggle. I own Improve Life PLLC. I purchased this office building for my second location and also to rent out to other doctors. But the contractor that I hired to renovate it used a fake license, took my money, and disappeared with it. So here I am doing the contract work myself, and I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm up in the ceiling. I gotta remove this grate. I was having the HVAC replaced. Necessity is the mother of invention, and I need this building to be done. I am inventing all types of ways to get this office building done, and I've been using YouTube and do-it-yourself books, and here's what we have so far.